Now we move on to the deep muscles of back. Now there are two types of deep muscles of back which are autochthonous muscles of the back, and second one is ventral origin of back muscles. Now the first one, which is autochthonous muscles of the back. Now these muscle forms on each side of two longitudinal muscular tract which lodged in the groove between vertebral spinous and transverse process and angle of rib. Now in deep parts, these muscles have two types of tracts. First one is the medial tract, which is nearest to the skeleton. They are made of short muscles arranged in segments between vertebrae. Now the second is lateral tract, which is long muscles close to the surface. Now there are two muscles called Splenius capitis and Splenius cervicis are covering both the tracts in the posterior cervical region. Now we would study the Splenius capitis and Splenius cervicis muscle. Now origin is spinous process of lower 5 cervical vertebrae and upper 7 thoracic vertebrae. Runs upward and laterally. Insertion is head into the lateral half of the superior nuchal line of the occipital bone and mastoid process, and neck into the transverse process of the second and third cervical vertebrae. Now action is contraction of one muscle, the head turns into its direction, and bilateral contraction bends the head and neck backward.